Hear the explosive roar of an old Landini tractor, a vintage Italian powerhouse, delivering the loudest bang at peak revs. With 50 horsepower, this 1930s supermodel echoes its legendary status. Step back in time with a 1920s John Deere D, a two-cylinder tractor, as it sputters to life with a classic hand-crank start. Packing 24 horsepower, this early diesel pioneer powered farms with grit and charm. Join the Austin, Manitoba Agriculture Museum as 5 roomly oil pull tractors, each a two-cylinder kerosene beast, crank up for a world record. With 60 horsepower on the belt, they pulled a 66-bottom plow in 2010. Marvel at the completed replica of a 1960 International Harvester HT340, a visionary turbine-powered tractor. With 150 horsepower from a jet aircraft APU, this Brian Harris creation debuted at Canandaigua's 50th Pageant of Steam. Learn how to start a Lance D8516 N-Model Bulldog, a 1930s hot bulb tractor, with this step-by-step guide. With 38 horsepower, this German classic requires a unique process to get its 10.3-liter engine running. Step into history with a 1945 Alice Chalmers WD, a 4-cylinder farm tractor, humming to life with a steady purr. Delivering 26 horsepower, this orange beauty powered post-World War II farms with reliability.
Choke off.
Discover the 1940s Field Marshal tractor, a single-cylinder diesel marvel bursting into action with a shotgun cartridge start. With 40 horsepower, this British icon powered farms with its unique bang. Behold a 1959 John Deere 730 diesel, a restored two-cylinder tractor rumbling to life with its pony engine in central Illinois. With 54 horsepower at the drawbar, this final two-cylinder model stunned farmers when production ended in 1960. Watch a 1973 Belarus MTZ-50, a four-cylinder diesel tractor, come alive using a 400cc gasoline engine to crank it. With 55 horsepower, this family heirloom cuts and turns hay on your father's farm. Take a look at a 1962 Fordson Supermajor, a 3.6-liter diesel tractor, rumbling into action with its timeless growl. With 54 horsepower, this British classic powered farms across the 1960s countryside. Join the revival of a 1950 Ford 8N tractor, its four-cylinder engine sputtering to life after a cold start. With 23 horsepower, this old gem is being tested for a swap into a 1948 8N with a cracked block.